Mm-hmm. Oh, now it wants to work. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, now it works. Okay, I guess it was just my fault for starting up the computer voice line. Whatever. Well, fucking well. We're back. Today we're going back to Dishonored, baby. You know why we're here. It's a great game. I love it. I want more of it. Mm-hmm. Last time, we struggled. We struggled hard, if I remember correctly. We struggled very hard yesterday. Anyways, welcome back. So, yesterday, we got the body for Mindy Blanchard, I think her name was. I think that was her name. We got the body for her. We're bringing it back to her. We're going to make her a happy person. Then we go to the Adamai Institute to go find the doctor.
Never do the dirty work when you can get someone else to do it. Hey, you got it. Put it down in the hole.
But there you go.
Good job. Take this.
What is this?
You said you had a trick for getting closer to Adamire.
Yeah.
I just sent one of my boys to turn off the power to the carriage rails. When the juice is off, you can walk along the rails and get where you need to go. On the other side, there's a station that will take you to Adamire.
All right then. This is goodbye.
For now. Corvo, this is goodbye for now. We might be back. She might be like, yo, what up, honey? Oh, crap. Should we go try to get all the... You know what? There's a rune down there.
I'm getting tired of the sound of my own voice.
Wait, did that hurt that much? Oh my goodness. Wait, it's right there. But I don't know how to get to that. There doesn't seem to be any obvious... Wait a second. There might be a way... Don't pee in the river, my guy. What is wrong with you?
Then I'm a filthy blood fly, and that's all I'm gonna say about it.
Yeah, I know. Runa Bone Charm nearby. I don't know how to get to it. I'm trying. I'm trying to figure out a way to get to it. How do I get to it? Maybe there's a way down here. No. Oh, it is pretty damn close, too. Motherfucker. How do I get to it? Nope, can't get up there. Okay. How do I get to this motherfucking piece of garbage? Oh crap, that's one of them god dudes.
So many people trying to get away from Karnaka now. Where are you gonna go? There's money.
To hell. You're going to hell.
It's dirty.
Thank you. Okay, we gotta get up there. Got it. Dunmore whiskey. Ooh.
He's made a dog's breakfast of the whole thing. And who's got to clean it up? Me, of course, as always.
Move along. We're conducting a search for heretical artifacts.
What? Here? Listen, I only...
This area is restricted on the authority of the Abbey. No one is allowed inside. What was that?
Evil intentions, well-made lads, and yes, love. All drowning in the
Coming
blood
from
of
here.
his spell.
Let's see.
Shut up, nerd. Cool. If you want to read that, you can. Outsider, how you doing, buddy? Corvo, it's so good to see you.
I've seen cities go bad before. Smelled the rot.
Uh-huh.
So have you. 15 years ago in Dunwall. Did you miss it? That year that made you who you are? Don't deny it. Rats in the cradle, black smoke rising from burning bodies, an entire city crying out. Now it's happening again. Welcome back. Welcome home. People like you and the Crown Killer are part of places like this.
Uh-huh. So you like that I'm doing the murder? Ooh, money. Oh, white rats can be eaten for no. I could do... No. That's no. You can also blink through glass, breaking it, or blink upward for a limited distance. Ooh, that's kind of nice. This also will be very nice. Yeah. Okay, I kind of think the bone charm crafting might be good. Eventually. For now, we'll save up. Can I go up? I can't go up. Okay. Not from here, at least. There might be a way out front, or there might be a way out back.
Careful with that sword. The Grand Guard won't like it.
Don't worry, Tuts. I'll be fine. Okay, not down here, but upstairs, maybe.
Trouble sleeping again last night. Maybe I ought to try one of those sleeping tinctures. They can be kind of pricey.
Do I have a grenade? I do have a grenade. Oh wait, I don't even need to go in there. Okay. Well, we can venture in there later. Fucking butt munches. Bite. Abandoned notebook. Wait. Oh, right there. Let's see. What was that one? Include more white. If I was going to go for the gutter feast, that might be a good one to combine with it. Maybe. I don't know if that would be great. We haven't seen any food difficulties yet. Okay, good. Please no hurt that bad. Thank you. Oh, he's dead. And he had a grenade on him. Nice, dude. Mannequin. Buy 2 oil cans, get 1 free. Meh. If I do need oil can automatons, that's right. Okay. I get it. Recharge. Thank you. Shut up. Shut up. What? That's right, shut up. I thought you could get in. Oh, you might be able to, actually. Damn. Okay, what if we do right there? And right there. Perfect. Oh, for a sneaky way. Okay, that's nothing more. I guess there's a light pouch. That's nothing right home about to come up here. I don't know if we can get to those runes. I don't think we can. I know there are guards in that building. I do not want to fuck around with the guards in that building. Yet. Shh. Shh. Don't tell anyone. We're being peaceful to the civvies.
In the end, what does it matter? Taking your coin, taking your
633.
life.
Okay. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Oh. Nice. What is this? Oh, yeah. Oh. Money out the ass, baby. What was that bone chop? What are you? Wait. Did we not get a bone chum? Did it just disappear? What the? Maybe I just have to wait a second. No, because it's still the same one. Oh, wait. You know what? Yes, let's take that one. That one's actually pretty nice. What the fuck is that? It's a giant rock? Okay.
This must be the alchemist's apartment. Alexandria Hypatia.
Mm-hmm. Bathing salt? Nice. I guess.
What's going on at Addermire? What's the Duke's interest and how is it connected to Delilah?
Hey, you?
By the time I leave Karnaca, the Bloodflies will have a lot more places to lay their eggs.
Yeah.
I spend less and less time here at my apartment, but my work at Addermire demands it. After the horrible failures of my first serum, I'm more determined than ever to help the miners. It's not my say how hard the Duke and his cronies drive the workers, but until he sees reason, I'll do what I can to make their lives better and to provide comfort to their families. It's my obsession, this work, and the impact it will have on the least privileged people in Karnaca. studying the original plague elixirs. I'm close to something.
When I find Hypatia, I'll see what she knows about the Crown Killer.
No one spares in the mines. She is a union worker. Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't kill her. Maybe. That is beautiful. Oh, we can't go upstairs anymore. Oh, son of a gun. Ow.
Addermeyer Station. This should take me out to the Institute.
I saw a guard up there.
What was that?
There's multiple. Shit. I don't know if I can reach over there. Oh, short. Oh, wait. I can't get over here. Come on. Hey, you. Murder time, fun time.
Now the power's down.
Did you hear that?
You won't get away!
Wait for my orders!
Protect your captain!
This can't be!
Oh, but it is. Oh my goodness. This can't be. Nah, it is. Sorry. That's how it goes. Sometimes you're just doing your job and then you get moited. Oh! Nice and quiet. Shh.
What am I? I got stocking with that leg, that's what. Worse than nothing.
How do they get on the fucking roof?
I could really go for a whiskey or something. Maybe
Right?
2 penny drinks.
Dude, some whiskey would be nice, right?
I hope they accept my transfer.
No one knows what's happened.
Got to
Could
get
be
out of
anything.
one of the other districts.
Just gotta watch my own back.
There's no one over here.
I'll be damned.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. Don't tell anyone. Shh. We're being quiet. Let's go. Yeah, it was pretty murderous. Just a little bit. Just a small amount.
Addermeyer. My bad.
Oh, crap. I didn't mean to skip. I'm sorry about that. Oh well.
Grand Guard personnel, remember,
Crap.
the back dock is restricted to ship changes and watchtower operations. Looks like they're doing maintenance on the carriage relay again. Should we check it out?
Just making sure it's still in order. Something is savory going on. Nobody comes around. We're good. Drunk after this.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Don't tell anyone you were dead. Oh my goodness. Bone job. Rub bone job. Rune. Rune. Black bone job. What is that? What does that mean?
I'm tired. How long, my dearest?
Not that much longer,
How long
my love.
must I endure
Don't worry
in
about it.
shadow state? This city is a place of riches, but not all get a seat at the banquet table.
So they say. Oh. Wait a second.
This part of the facility's been abandoned for a while. Hey, little rat dudes, how you doing?
You've been working here for months. You know Dr. Hypatia's office is off limits to you.
I'm begging you. It would only take a few hours for Dr. Hypatia to see them. My 7-year-old broke her leg carrying water down to the miners.
Nice.
And my 3-year-old has been coughing dust for weeks. His skin is so pale. He's gray. I could bring them here.
I am very sorry, but there's nothing I can do. Dr. Hypatia doesn't accept patients anymore, and the Institute is under the Grand Guard Authority. Apparently, you can't be trusted to do your job without creating problems.
Please, I can't lose another child. Where is Dr.
Whatever you need, I can't help you.
Oh, no, no, no! Help! Huh? What?
Shut up. I have a bunch of sleep darts, apparently. I didn't realize that. Because I'm stupid, apparently. Unsteady hand. What is that? What does that do? Enemies with fire. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah.
What should we do with the leftovers? I used to feed them to the dogs, but I'm not allowed to go to the kennels anymore. That's one.
Shut up.
Nothing. Worse.
I'll kill them if you warn them. Give me
The
that.
Duke of Serkonos.
Yeah? Anything you want to say about that? Just the Duke of Serkonos. Slick eyes. Nothing to say, buddy. The Duke of Serkonos. There's a body over there. That's not great. Wait, was there a bone charm by the entrance that I missed? Oh, boy. Hey, guys. Bye-bye.
A victim of the Crown Killer, no doubt.
Are we sure about that? He looks like a nobody. He doesn't look like he was against us at all. I know you run design from the Grand Guard, but I fear for your life as long as you're in Adamaya. I need something to tell me about how to open that safe. Anything? Nope. Great. Excuse me. need a way to open this safe. There has to be a way around here somewhere. Hmm. Little mouse buddies, you guys want to help me out with this? Nope. Okay. Crap. Wait a second. Wait a second. Hmm. 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 Did I pick it up on accident? Maybe. No. Mother, where? Oh, wait. Combination 791. Okay. There we go. Ooh. Nice. Oh. Don't fall down.
I guess Dr. Hypatia's not seeing patients anymore.
12 weeks have I been sick, facing monsters in the brine, dancing hagfish on the line. Martha, won't you marry me?
Little rat guys. Shh. Shh, rat. Four, 62. Is there a basement? There is somehow a basement. We need to find a way to get down there. Wait, are both dogs alive or one of those dead? No, they're both alive. Oh, there's 4 of them. So, shh. Was that a witch grenades? Maybe. Do I care? Not really. I don't want to deal with doggos. I don't like doggos. I don't like doggos in this game, I should say. I like doggos generally. Doggos pretty cool. Wait, did I get... No, I didn't get new runes yet. Never mind. There has to be a way to get down. Might not be... Oh, it might be the buried backpack. Excuse me. No. We just have to wait till they calm down. What? I am not in the dumpster. No, sir.
You can't stay hidden forever.
I think I can. at your mom's place. Talking to her right now.
You don't stand a chance anyway. I'm not in the mood. Show yourself. Come out, wherever you are.
Come on, dude. We know you're out there.
Come on, won't hurt you. Come on, don't have time for games.
I do, however.
I'll get him next time.
I'll get him next. Can you forget that I was here? Like I. Oh no! Wait. Wait.
That's the watchtower.
I can just swim around? Okay. What up, Street? Oh, what up? Oh, no. What up, Train? How you doing? Get some rest. I'll be here. I goofed this up so bad. Oh, no. Don't notice me.
The alarm! What's going on?
We wait for that light to go back over.
Did I imagine that? No, I'm sure.
Crap. Are you fucking kidding me, my guy? Don't light on me at all. Don't you dare. No. Good. And garbage. Excuse me. I have no rewire. Shit.
Holy shit! You've been found guilty of standing in my way. Ready? This shouldn't take long.
Is that really a crime, my guys? I mean, I could if I wanted.
That's hot.
If he's... All right, we'll be right back, guys. All right, let's get back into it. So how the f do I get down there to that room?
Need some help over here.
Shit. Oh, you dick.
Are you all right? Bad.
Go f yourself. Oh my goodness, your sword. What? You don't want to be here, sir. This is no place for a man like you. Dr. Hypatia's key unlocks it? You fucking kidding me? Can I open those shutters? If I can. Crap, they're locked. Crap. Butt punches. Oh, Gesundheit.
Come out, wherever you are. Here you are. I'm not.
Shut up. Oh, hello, sir.
You're gonna pay for his death.
Well, I wanted to be quiet in here, but I guess not anymore. Excuse me. Wait, was she awake or was she asleep at the entire time? I don't know. Blood flies. Okay. Dr. Hypatia is on floor 5. Well, floor 4, but room 5. Nope, okay. Blood flies. Yay! Oh! Blood flies everywhere. That person is hung themselves. Or been hung. despicable flight. There's a bunch in there. Jesus fucking Christ. How many? How many bloodflies do we need before it's too many? It doesn't help that I'm also murdering everyone.
The key might be in Hypatia's office.
No, bad. No, we got a key. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Thank you. Ow! Who the fuck is Hamilton? Wait, there's one up here. Outsider, how you doing, buddy?
I so enjoy watching history warp as words pass from the lips of one to the ears of another. Imperfectly formed, half understood, poorly remembered. In the years to come, the story of the Crown Killer will be twisted and bent, hammered like soft metal. By some accounts, a monster that had to be put down. By others, a victim of treachery, preserved because in the end, you found another way. But you'll always remember the truth, won't you? Your truth, at least.
I guess. Question mark. Mm. Let's go for it. Why not? Man. Mm. Okay, there's a way to get up there. And I think I just saw it too. Alright, come on, there we goes. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's still one more up there. Okay. If I bounce over to there. Then perfect, baby. Mmm. Mmm. That's not bad. But also not great. New trait to learn. Let's see, unsteady hand. We can't craft it yet, but once we can, that'll be great to do. I say we keep those as they are. Let's sacrifice these. Yeah. That's not going to be that great. Let's sacrifice that though. And powers. Can we... Okay, so we can get that going. That's good. Wrong button, son of a gun. There we go. Problem is, I have no more of those. I have spiky grenades.
I've never seen blood flies this bad.
Enjoy, boys. Bye-bye. That didn't kill... You know what? Come here, little shit. Raw whalebone. Ah. Tanning box. That just looks like an oven with extra steps. No, thank you. That's not a tanning box. That's a baking box. Stop it. Bugs. Bad. Bad bugs. Thank you. Slice and dice. Buttholes. Oh. There we go. Are you guys happy? Ground glider. Slide speed is slightly fast. Ooh, that sounds kind of cool. I haven't seen them use grenades that often, frankly. Usually they throw bricks or they stab. Let's take that one off. Wait a second. I only have one. Oh crap. Okay. Well, let's do a bone chop then. All right. Come on. Let's make it, baby. Big money, no whammies. Yeah. Got it. So now we can throw that on there, and that gives us all 4 bonuses at the same time.
Something under my fingernails again. What was I working with? Iodine, perhaps?
Do we drop assassin? I knew she was a crown killer. Disperse incendiary release, that sounds good to me. Within and without. Ooh, nice.
You did well finding Anton Sokolov, my friend. The old man is with Kirin Jindosh, who is prying him apart, digging out all his secrets, adding Sokolov's knowledge to his own. Who knows what wonders of natural philosophy Jindosh will reveal in future days. But it's time for you to come out once again. Time to play. We have need for your special talents. The good doctors do for a trip to Dunwall because Ichabod Boyle is next on the list. Make haste and make this one messy. Give the newspapers something to write about and give the people of the Empire fodder for their nightmares.
Mmm. $183. Oh. Well, shit.
I come and I go, putting Hypatia to sleep as I want. But even when she's awake, I'm with her, looking out through her eyes. My cold, dry sister. She saves her love for the sooted workers, suffocating deep down in the mines. For the children in hovels at the edge of the city. Cursed
Are you trying to bone this man or kill him? Because it sounds like kind of a both thing right there. And that's a bit creepy, you know, just a tiny amount. A bit weird. Maybe we don't bone and kill our boy and just kill him. Wait, so where is her safe? Or is the safe in her office or somewhere else? And I'm just blind to the fact. Where the fuck is the safe at? Am I stupid to not know where the safe is? Okay. I'm just going to assume that I'm stupid and that's the reason why. Can we open the doors, a window down here? Can I open a window? Oh wait, we can't open a window. We don't need to worry about the windows, no. Okay. All right, game. That's fine. Though you can just die. Shit. You, buddy.
You're Hamilton?
Why your hand so
Why did they
huge?
lock you up? You know something?
I swear, I know what I saw. Hooded. I just caught a glimpse. So much hate in the eyes. As if the world needed more of that. I'm not seeing things. I hope they didn't steal my notes. I need to go back to my room. They took my key.
I'll find your key for you.
I thought I could... I don't know. What a fool I was.
What a fool believes what he sees. The wise man has the power to give it away.
Listen to Mom and be... someone there.
Shut your face. Shut up. Oh, wait, is this it? Because we did get that code from downstairs. There's safe in Vasco's office, 183. This might be... I don't know this Vasco's office. Ah!
Something's missing.
I finally understand it. There's a part of Hypatia that she doesn't even know about. It's always there, riding along in her mind, takes over and forces her to use more of the original serum with some regularity. The Duke keeps her here and, if I'm right, sends her out on diabolical assignments. Hypatia is the one the newspapers are calling the Crown Killer.
Oh.
She leaves
Bum.
and comes back, leaving bloody footprints. But there's a cure, a counter serum. I'll try to administer it once I get my notes from the safe in disease treatment. Hello? Oh, Alexandria. I was just... No. It's you.
Yes, Vasco, my love. You were found out, and now we have some experiments to conduct.
How many hours can you suffocate? But it is
disgusting.
I'm glad you found fiends. Abachi, bile bugs. The red buddies.
I need to go back to my room. They took my key.
Who though? I'm assuming they meant the person here, but I'm not gonna show you anymore. What the fuck is that? There's a dead body in. I don't know where his keys are. I'm sorry, Budoga. Ah. Okay, we got that. That's good. Disgusting. There's that one right down below. What the fuck? Where the fuck would his key be? Ah, excuse me.
Who's there? Hello? Anybody?
I'm hungry. Shit.
Even the air is different. Something's coming. I'm sure of it.
What's going on here?
Someone tried to shoot me in the head.
So, let's see.
You don't stand a chance anyway.
Can't stay hidden forever.
Someone shoot us!
Oh no. He's dead. He's so dead. Oh my god, she's dead too. Oh no, he's super dead.
Where'd you disappear to?
Now what?
Oh my goodness. They're all dead. There's still Professor here, who's still working.
Sure, there's always been blood flies. I just don't remember it being so meant. Whatever you need, I can help you.
I'm not here to kill you. Shh! No more guards are eating tonight, all right? Shh! Just don't let it happen. Let it happen. Thank you. Sorry, ma'am. I just need you to shh. Thank you. I'm not. Excuse me. Oh, our girl's down there. Nice. I still need to figure out how to get to that thing. Shut up. Worth of 20,000 coins. That's not bad. I turned myself in for that one. God damn. Ow!
I've seen many horrors. A child eaten by these. A nest of blood flies. Your blood-soaked hands.
Even my wifey is getting on the... You, Corvo, don't do this. Bro, screw you, wifey. I'm doing what I want, which is Moira. How do I get this thing that's buried inside of the fucking pavement? Oh. What is this one? Exactly. Oh, slightly more damage. That sounds decent. What I want. Way more damage. Mm-hmm. And that sounds like garbage. No. Bad. Now, it's only 6 meters below me. Wait a second. Can this go to a basement? So there is a basement, and I don't know how to get to it. Give me a second. I'm gonna take a look at this. How the fuck do we do this? Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, okay. I see how the dude does it. Okay. This is stupid, and you're gonna hate it as much as I hate it. I promise. But that's the game. Many a tears have to fall, but it's all in the game. All right. Press the button. Crap, I didn't mean to do that. Oh. I just realized something too. Yeah, I don't know if I like this part of the level. I feel like something's gonna come out and just bump us real quick here. Painting of Anton Sokolov. Yeah. Also, yeah. So now we can do this. I want much more damage, right? Cool. We're gonna have all the crossbow damage, baby. Mm-hmm. Oh, baby. Yeah. Then I want much more of this. Although, actually, wait a second. Let's do that. And then let's go. Area effect for stun mines. I don't even use stun mines, so you know what? I'm down with that. Many a tear after fall. I mean, eventually I want to redo that, but for now, it's fine. But it's all in the game. Tell me this ain't some spooky ass shit. Wait, how the fuck do I get out? Are there stairs here? No, there's no stairs. Or do I have to manually on each one? Oh, no. No. Do I have to manually climb all the way back up top? Shit. Are you fucking kidding me? There we go. Fine, we'll walk downstairs, I guess. Jesus.
Until you're finished.
What up, girl? We're done.
Can we leave this place yet?
Yes.
I don't like it.
I don't either.
Ready now?
Because there's a bunch of dead bodies there.
Yes. Let's Let's head out for the dreadful whale.
You didn't find Sokolov?
No, but I killed Hypatia.
You what?
She was the crown killer. The Duke tricked her into injecting herself with a flawed version of her serum. It changed her. She wasn't even aware of it.
And Sokolov?
He's been moved to the home of a man named Kieran Jindosh.
The Duke's grand inventor. They say he's a genius.
They die like anyone else.
We're just gonna stick right next to the rock. All right, Corvo, we're gonna have a talk right here on the rocks. Lethality, all of it. Got all the runes and stuff. We missed a blueprint. I'm mad about that. That sucks. All right, we're good.
I need Anton Sokolov, but he's missing. Held by another inventor named Kieran Jindosh, who no doubt wants whatever secrets Sokolov holds in his head. Jindosh is the mad inventor who brought clockwork killing machines to Karnaca. They say he's got the most brilliant mind in the Isles, and it may be true, but a smart man wouldn't be standing in my way. I've got to find out where Sokolov's being held and bring the old man back alive. Rescue one genius and kill the other before he creates an army of clockwork soldiers.
All right, no crazy dream. Good.
Is it truly possible the good doctor didn't know she was the crown killer? Maybe she just didn't want. It's time to go get Sokolov.
I agree. Maybe.
Ramsey and the Crown Killer. 2 pieces of the puzzle.
Yeah.
Where to go?
Where to go? Metal Gear. Let's go.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
All right, let's get underway. Jindosh is important to the Duke's inner circle. The Grand Guard watches his mansion, harassing people who look like trouble.
You said there's a wall of light cutting off access to the carriage station.
Yes, but there's a black market shop nearby. They sell on the sly.
Ever use a rewiring tool?
Yes, but it's been years.
Good. Get past the wall of light, then ride the carriage to where Jindosh lives. And there's a reason people are afraid of his mansion.
I'll see you after it's done.
Corvo, take care of this crazy man and his clockwork soldiers, then bring Sokolov back. He means a lot to me.
Oh yeah, don't worry. He means a lot to me too. Ooh, grinding wheel. Nice.
This is the Duke. I just awoke from your dream. Terrible red waves rising up from the ocean, coming to smash Karnaka. I screamed and fell out of bed. It's not common knowledge, but traveling by ship horrifies me. It's unnatural. The ocean is a malignant force. It exists to drive us mad or drag us down deep, where our skin and organs turn to jelly and our bones settle in the muck. For those poor fools who make their trade on the waters, I wish them luck. Serkonis is a land of tall timber, fierce winds, and deep silver mines. Leave the ocean for those with no other choice.
What?
We gotta get back to Dunwall. I feel so bad. Haven't seen the kids in 2 years.
What was that?
Come back here!
Crap.
You aren't going anywhere. It's you and me now.
No, it's just me now.
You won't get away.
Oh no, I got away.
I'm told they robbed one of our shops.
Oh,
I'd like
no.
to see them try it here. There's something familiar about you.
I've been away from Karnaka for a long time. I need a rewire tool, like the ones used by the Grand Guard. No questions. Clear?
Yes, sir. But I can't help you right now. I have people coming in, and I can't be responsible for their manners if you take my meaning. Paolo is coming by. See me later.
Understood.
You should go. We can do business another time. Like I said, Paolo is coming by.
Oh, greetings.
Who do we have here? What's the mask for?
Walk on. You won't like how this ends.
Oh, that's not how it ends? How does it end then? With an old man giving me advice in my own damn city, then being force-fed his ugly mask? Because that sounds like something I'd like a lot.
Oh my goodness! White mouse! White mouse!
Cut shit.
Ah!
Someone is asking for trouble.
I thought she was dead already. Never mind.
You should go. We can do business another time. Like I said, Paolo is coming by.
Oh, no, not again.
Over here! You shouldn't have wandered.
You're still alive? Hey, that guy won't be a problem for you anymore.
I can't believe you're alive after crossing Paolo.
Yeah, he's
talks
not
a good game, but I was putting down his kind when I was 16.
Come in.
And I'm
I
550
might
years
have
old
what you've been
now.
asking for.
You fucking better have what I'm. Oh, you're
The situation in the Empire has driven the price. Ah, you want blueprints for better weaponry. A deal well
Yes.
made. A pleasure to do business. You won't be sorry. Sometimes I wish I had the Grand Inventor
With
among my
wider
friends.
radius, emulates multiple enemies. Oh, yes,
So easy to
baby.
please.
Okay. I didn't even check and see if we have enough to buy her rewire.
Things were so much better
Yeah,
just
of course
a
we
decade ago.
fucking don't. Excuse me. But you know what I know? I know where her, I'm pretty sure I know where her key is.
You know, I sleep in the shop most nights. The city's not safe.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to steal from you. For getting the accuracy upgrade, it doesn't look that different.
You look like you're doing pretty well. Why not give me a coin?
Here you go, bud.
Appreciate it. I'll let you in on a secret. I saw people coming and going recently, looking for whale oil. Up to something.
Up to something.
You watch yourself. The Grand Guard aren't too friendly to strangers.
Nah, I kind of figured they wasn't. Wrong button, but whatever. I have no incendiary board. Crap. Ow! Bah! Piece of garbage. The rat guys, don't scare me like that, guys.
Impressive how you managed to get there. Be careful. Those people in the oil tanks might still be around.
Got it. Wait. Ah, there's multiple people down there.
You said whale oil. I got it for you. Not easy to pinch either.
No, you screwed up. It won't work without another tank. Not enough blast. You gotta trust me on. I bet.
No. Bad. Okay. Crap. I thought maybe that would have done it. Shitty.
It won't work without another tank. Not enough blast. Trust me on this.
All right. I don't know shit about explosives. Never said I did. I'll go out again later and find some more.
Good. You can't rush jobs like this. It takes a smooth hand.
We can't piss around here.
We need more. Got it. They had pickaxes and they decided, nah, let's go for explosives instead. You got pickaxes, my guys. Little rat dudes. Yeah. Now we all chill, right, rat guys? Yeah, no problem. I guess? Question mark? I'm not sure. Nope, never mind. Oh, that's neat.
Someone should have come through already.
Hush. You'll tip off the mark.
How long we gonna wait for some lost aristocrat to stumble through?
Long as it takes. You want to eat, right? Wait! What's going on? Wait, shit! This is bad! I bet you've been living this up!
Ow!
Think you look... won't go anywhere. That mask full of...
Shut your mouth. Try to talk about my mask. You don't know nothing about my mask. Ooh. So we got one room. Cool. Did we get a new bone shama? No. Nope. Okay. Bosses beware. When we're screwed, we multiply. It sounds like a breeding threat. Because I don't like... Okay. So the code is written somewhere.
Not this time.
Who's fooling around?
What the void?
What up, Benta? How you doing? Don't mind me. Wait.
If only I had a
Trying to
plan
find the
at
secret
home.
code.
That's the life.
One. Kind of looks like an 8. Let's try 181. I'm good. How you? I mean, I'm doing all right. I am realizing that this game is taking a lot longer. Okay, it's not 181. That is. Those are both 1, right? Those aren't 7s.
And who's got to clean it up?
Looks like 1s to me. Lucky. That's only worth 15 points. Get the fuck out of here. Giant fucking rock worth 15 coins. Silver worth 75. You all need to stop mining silver, making it worthless. Well, yeah, but we put a random number that we saw. We saw the 1 and the 1, so we just had to spin the second one. That's all we had to do. Welcome to video game logic. Oh. Thank you for that eye drink. I forgot I'm forgetting to water myself. So if it has a 1 and a 1, then the idea was go through all of the numbers. And if we get back to 8 and it doesn't work, then cool. We know it's not 1 and 1, though that's probably a 7 and a 7 instead. And they write at a weird angle for some fucking reason. And it's basic logic recognition in the brain. Now I need it to be sure that you dumbasses don't try to do nothing stupid. That's it. Wait, are these? Yeah, these are my spring razors. Okay, good. Hey, ya.
Your face is covered. The
Careful
Grand
with
Guard
that
won't
sword.
like
What are you
that.
covering your face The Grand Guard won't like it.
I can cover my face if I want to. You can all shut your mouth. Well, the Grand Guard's not gonna like it. Yeah. Well, the Grand Guard won't like it.
Your face is covered.
Shut up,
Worried someone might recognize you?
ma'am. I'm eating your food now, you jerk. Say something about my
face. Are you worried someone might?
That's it. Shut up.
Oh no, no, no!
Nope. This is what you get. This is what you get for talking about my face. Now you're dead. Now you're dead because you're garbage. You're garbage. When you come in your face. That's why. So when I kill you, you can't tell the god, oh yeah, he was a 8-6 whatever. Motherfucker. Son of a butt muncher. Oh wait, no, I don't need to be here. Hey, I need to buy that rewire too.
Always a delight to see you.
Always a delight to see me. She knows. She knows.
Things were so much better just a decade ago. You won't be sorry.
Damn right I won't.
I shouldn't deal with strangers.
No, you shouldn't, because I'm about to rob you. In a second. Not right away. Give me tank, please. Thank you. Oh, there's, that, you know, that might not be a great thing right there. She never said how many more of these that they needed for the explosions. So, nope. Hands for the dice. I'll gladly take this. Shut up. Don't talk about my face and mask. Or else. Oh! So that happened. That was the thing. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Fucking 10 out of 10. Oh, okay. Let's go again.
Who else would it be? Malcontents are saying that our bridges are crumbling, that people are leaving our cities. But as I look out the windows of the Grand Palace, I know these are lies. Serkonos is a land of riches. Yes, some people are poor because they're lazy. It's true that across our capital city there are abandoned buildings full of blood flies. There have always been blood flies. There always will be.
But there have always been blood flies. And there always will be. There we go, there we go, there we go. Nice and careful. But there always been blood flies. And I'm not a crook. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Hey, Deuterino.
Thanks again.
Anytime, dude. Well, you need the money anyway. Lion's enemies? What the fuck? What the fuck? Pyrosonic casing? That sounds pretty cool. Oh, yeah. You know, I'm gonna do something stupid. I'm gonna do something super stupid. Wait. Oh no. Bone jump. Oh, but there's another bone chop. Oh, motherfucker. Goddamn motherfucker. That was painful. Ow. Excuse me. Okay, so I robbed that place fine. Okay, that's cool. Hmm. Let's see what it is. Wolfhounds cannot. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Hot diggity dog. That's actually pretty damn decent. Let's go see who that one is. Wait. Was I not in those apartments earlier?
She want that apartment. Dust everywhere, no matter what you do.
Wrong button. Meh. Come on. Ugh. That's the wrong button again. Son of a gun. What up, outsider? How you doing, twink boy?
I'll tell you a story about Kieran Jindosh, the Duke's grand inventor. Once he was commissioned to make a toy for a 6-year Tivian noble girl. Jindosh worked for 3 months and built a machine composed of wood, brass, and the bones of several cats. It ran on a few drops of whale oil a day. The little girl was told she would have a special treat, and she was perfectly delighted until the moment it was activated. She lives at an asylum up at Dabaxa now, and will until the end of her days.
Okay. So he's a bit twisted. I mean, he was gonna die anyways, dude. Oh my goodness, the blood flies. I'm saving just in case. Oh no! That could have done better. That could have been done much better. You have anything good in this apartment? Or did we just waste a bunch of ammo for nothing? Atomize solution. Not worth it. Tell me you got something good down here. I'm afraid to tell you that I don't think there was anything good down there. Nah. Shit. Waste of time.
Breathe around here.
Ow. No. Come here. Greetings, Commander. Oh dear. What a shame. Looks like you died. Well, don't mind if I get in. Let's go, baby. What is that sound? What is this sound?
I can see Jindosh's mansion from here.
I mean, it's a pretty dope amount. Don't tell anyone you died. Be a pretty dick move if you told someone you died. Leader of the Howler. Who the fuck? Okay.
Best thing that ever happened to this city. Give me a handful of the clockworks and I'll clean up the dust district. I don't know. Maybe the tall boys were better from the time of the rat plague. They made people stand up straight. Times change. If the Duke has his way, we'll have an army of the clockwork soldiers by this time next year.
There were no blue jobs. River crust is more like that.
Where do you go?
I thought that. Come on! I don't have time for games.
Where did you go? Let's go burst. Ooh. Meh. This isn't bad, but I also don't use mana elixirs that much unless I'm getting it to full. So you know. No? Question mark? We can, however, scrap them down. Why are they reacting like I'm outside?
Yeah. Better safe than sorry.
That wasn't me. I promise. I didn't shoot no one. Oh my goodness, dude, you are sick. Those are grandpa cops right there. Those are bad. Let me take care of those cops for you. There you go. Alloy polarization. Does that mean more armor?
So he says, keep alert. And I says, I am alert. I've been alert. And he says, yeah, but this time I really mean it.
You're being quiet?
I imagine that? No, I'm sure.
I wonder what I'm dealing with.
There's like 15 dudes outside. Oh my goodness, you guys need to calm down. Get to work.
You can't stay hidden forever. Stop! No use running! All right, jump back in.
Come get me, boys. Oh no, I'm so poor and innocent and alone. Please don't come get me. Oh no. You can say bad move, but I think I took care of most of your guard regiment and didn't even have to. Bye. Okay. If I... No, because that's Bob White, ain't it? Shit. Oh no. Oh. Come here, you stupid bug. No, stop. Stop. Okay, we're gonna save game again. Just like last time. Let's see if it worked it. Oh no! All the little buggy boys. Open it up! Oh my goodness, there's so many bugs. I'm sorry that you're dead. But better dead than turn into a test bench for these bugs? Question mark? Maybe? Was that worth it? Did we get any loot out of this? Bah. Fuck no, we didn't. Okay, that wasn't worth it again. We are finding out that taking care of the bugs is not really worth it. Okay, good to know that we're learning that now. Just gonna let you guys be. Alright? You do you, and I'll do me.
Somewhere near, they hold hands. They drink poison together. This old couple. A banker tricked them out of their home.
I make a motion, someone open a window. Oh, it's Jindosh. Cool, thanks, dude.
Why do so many have so little? It was never meant to be this way.
I agree. Oh, you are super dead. Nicely done, nicely done, nicely done.
I've known people like Jindosh. Broken children who'd cut up cats to see how they...
Before we do anything else. Nah, not worth it. I kind of want to redo that one, but at the same time, no, not yet. I know grenades sometimes have missed with fire projectiles more often. Let's go with that one. I know it didn't say thrown, it just said fired, but still I feel like that's a decent investment. Slide speed is slightly slower. Okay, I'm fine with that. 100%, I'm fine with that. That doesn't matter to me. Because we all, yeah, that's 100% fine. Okay, first off, we put that one on. Nice. Lady.
Worked.
All right, let's enter the Clockwork Mansion, baby. Yeah. Jindosh is a self-righteous piece of garbage, and I'm gonna fucking kill him because I don't care.
Jindosh, it's time to pay for what you've done, and maybe I can find Sokolov.
This is gonna take forever, this mission, so we're gonna save right here, and we're gonna come back to this tomorrow, because I know that this mission is gonna take us a while. I'll tell them, let's go raid someone. Let's see who's online. Ow! I hurt myself. Son of a gun. Who's here? Mari, Yui, Tiho. Naga's online. Oh, Tabletop Sim? Man. Dad's is doing Battlefield 6. Nice. First year festival with Celeste. Oh, that's cool. But nah. I don't know who to rate. They all have so many more viewers. We'll go raid Mari Kitty. Why not? She's playing RV There Yet. RV There Yet is actually a pretty fun game. I do want to capture some of it with my friend group, but they get on way too late for me to stream. And not to mention, like, they don't tell me ahead of time, hey, we're not gonna do D&D tonight, or we are gonna do D&D tonight. So I don't know if we're gonna do D&D tonight. We might later on do a RV There Yet stream, but I kind of doubt that we will. Until then, take care of yourself, drink your water, eat your food, all that good stuff. Remember, I love your face. I want to see you back here next time, or a time, maybe not next time, but sometime in the future would be kind of nice. Tell me, hey, I'm still alive. That makes me happy to know. Until then, take care of yourself. Remember, I love you. Doses.